Listen, uyabona uma kuyisikhathi sokuthandaza, imfuneko yokuthandaza ayihambisani nesikhathi sasenkonzweni. Umoya oyingcwele that is going to lead you to pray. The Holy Spirit is going to guide you when to pray. And the Holy Spirit is going to guide you how to pray. And the Holy Spirit is going to guide you when to stop praying. Because if you are praying because people are praying midnight, but you don't know the revelation or to why people are praying at midnight, it's not a must to wake up at 12 o'clock uthandaza, because it's what you've been told. At 12 o'clock amadimoni ayasebenza. Amadimoni alinde wena ukuthi uvuke uthandaza at 12 o'clock. All this time amadimoni, they were not functioning. They're only waiting for you ukuthi uvuke besulwa nawo. Umoya oyingcwele uyakutshela ukuthi isikhathi sokukhuleka. Sikho isikhathi sokukhuleka. Actually, there is no written time ukuthi isikhathi sokukhuleka. Umoya oyingcwele ngakubamba nje useteksini, bakhona bonke abantu, ugobisa ikhanda lakho, usho ngomkhuleko nangomoya nangenhliziyo. Because umoya oyingcwele ufuna ungawucontroli wena. Ngoba once wena waba in charge kumoya oyingcwele, uyosikhanda uba yikholwa elicontrola amandla ekungamele wacontrol. But you need to allow umoya oyingcwele ukucontrol, ngoba uma ucontrola umoya oyingcwele uyakwenzisa lokho ukufunaka kumoya oyingcwele. Awenzi izinto osifunako wena ngoba ukholelwa ukuthi umoya oyingcwele. If Master Jesus, uma kuumoya oyingcwele, yabona umoya oyingcwele uma usuqala ukusebenza, uma nje sofikile umoya oyingcwele. Umoya oyingcwele kuyabonakala ukuthi kunesandla, kodwa akusona isandla esijwayelekile, kuyisandla nje saphezulu. Kungakho every time when you have to pray, forget about 12 o'clock, forget about 3 o'clock, forget about 5 o'clock. When the Holy Spirit guides you ukuthi it's time for praying, or it's time for you ukuthi ukhuleke, do it. Ubayekele bonke abantu abavuka ngo-12. That's why thina makholwa asifuna uku-expanda ey'ntweni zikaNkulunkulu. Sibamba u-12 wabantu abadala, 20 years ago, 30 years ago, 50 years ago. We need to expand as abantwana bakaNkulunkulu. Sikhule ekumazini uNkulunkulu. Singakhuli ngemthetho esanikezwa yona, kodwa iyasiqindezela ukuthi sikhule ezwini likaNkulunkulu. Ngoba kunemithetho emelane namakholwa ukuthi akhule. Kunemithetho ebekwako, kungewona ukuthi umthetho uzokukhulisa njengomntwana kaNkulunkulu. Eminye imithetho is going to destroy you because i-unnecessary. Kodwa if you allow the Holy Spirit, umoya oyingcwele une-order. Umoya oyingcwele uzokwenzisa izinto ezine-order. Ngoba umoya oyingcwele uma ukwenzisa into, kukhona akulungiselele kona ngaphambili ukuthi yonke into yakho seyiready, buya. Kungakho kunemithetho eminingi yamabandla esihamba nayo, but sikhohle ukuvumela umoya oyingcwele asisebenzise njengamakholwa. Umoya oyingcwele simshiya ngaphandle thina, singene enkonzweni. Uma sifika enkonzweni sifuna abantu basitshele ukuthi umoya oyingcwele sim-experience kanjani. Ngoba umoya oyingcwele, you don't have to wait for anyone esontweni introduce umoya oyingcwele. Umoya oyingcwele uthi ungena enkonzweni uve wena ukuthi uphethe amandla, umbethe amandla. Wezwa amandla ukuthi no akamoya oyingcwele le. Even a-praise team angeke isitshele ukuthi asivale namehlo. Ngeke ithi sihlabeleleni sonke siphakamiseni izandla, ngoba umoya oyingcwele uyakwenzisa. Uma we-praise team akuphakamisisa izandla, asiphakamiseni izandla thina sonke. Uthini umoya oyingcwele kuwe ngokuphakamisa isandla uma uyizwa indumiso ihubelela? Athina amahubo uma ihubelela uthinte kaphi njengekholwa njengomntwana kaNkulunkulu? Ngoba umoya oyingcwele ushiya ngaphandle bese ungena ngaphakathi uyothatha umoya oyingcwele wabanye abantu. Umoya oyingcwele, there's no disorder kamoya oyingcwele. Ubonaka abantu bayathanda ukwenza ngathi into zikaNkulunkulu ziba yi-order. Kanti uNkulunkulu kunezinto zakho thina sizama ukuzenza ukuthi zibe yi-order, kanti uNkulunkulu ezibuke ngathi ziyi-disorder. Ngoba uNkulunkulu thina simenzela i-order angayithandi, kodwa yena uma senzela into ekumele kube yi-order asiyifuni, sifuna kwenza i-order yethu. Umoya oyingcwele into ekumele iphile kuwe, iphile ekhaya, iphile la uhlala khona, iphile emshadweni, iphile emsebenzini, iphile yonke indawo. Ungabe umoya oyingcwele wasenkonzweni. Kungakho uzoba umzalwane osindisiwe othandazako, kodwa o-violent oshayanako. Emsebenzini bayakwazi ukuthi uyashayana wena kodwa usindisiwe. It is because umoya oyingcwele uyawushiya wena uhambe emsebenzini. Umoya oyingcwele wena ushiya enkonzweni wena. Umoya oyingcwele into ohamba naye ekhaya, nasekhaya kukhona izimo ezidinga umoya oyingcwele ukuthi uyabona kwakumele ngiphakame, kodwa umoya oyingcwele uthi yehla. Umoya oyingcwele is something that you need as umntwana kaNkulunkulu, ngoba umoya oyingcwele uzokukhuza. Kunezinto that you are not supposed to talk njengomntwana kaNkulunkulu engeke noma ungafisa kangakanani, but umoya oyingcwele athi it's not the time. You even have the wrong words. Umoya oyingcwele akukhuza athi thula. Kunezinto kumele ungasikhulumi ngomlomo wakho because